What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on a Nissan Rogue. This is a 2020 Rogue here, but it will be the same on several different years. So we're going to reset the oil life using the buttons over here. I'm going to focus in on the screen, but just so you know what I'm doing, if I say I'm pressing over, we're either going left or right. This is up, down, and OK. These are the only buttons that will be used. So we want to start scrolling over until we get to the settings menu. So we'll keep scrolling until we get to this screen. Then we want to scroll down to the maintenance menu. Once you have that highlighted, press OK. And then oil and filter is highlighted, press OK. And then here on this screen, if on the number there, if you press OK, you can change the amount of miles you want it to keep track of. I'm going to leave it here at 3,000. Press OK. Come down to where Reset's highlighted. Press OK. Scroll up to Yes. Press OK. And that's it. That's how you reset it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.